Employee Central. Employee Central is the name SAP provided to their core HR module, which offers a single employee experience to manage employee data, organization information, and compensation information available from any device, and that can be synchronized with any payroll system. And that's where I think in our setup or organization, it makes sense to position SuccessFactors. It's allowed to deliver a single employee experience for international companies relying on several payroll systems in the back. So now I will show you SuccessFactors. It's the power of one. The power of one platform, one solution for managing all the HR processes. One layout, one user experience, which means that the user don't have to get used to several tools or several way of working. And second, you find out in the same platform all the HR process, whether it's related to performance, compensation, to training, to other topics. From there, and as I said, what is important is that we have one platform for all the people working into the company. All those people appear here in the company org chart. Here we see that Geoff Hill is managing a set of people. Those people are maybe not working on the same country. Maybe Ben is working in Belgium, Jada is working in Germany, and James is working in the US. But they are all on the same system, all aggregated there. It allows also to manage specific elements that can happen in the employee life in the company, such as Anson here that is tagged as global assignment. Global assignment means that person has been transferred temporarily from the China office, Shanghai, to the New Brunswick office in the US. So the employee and the life of the employee within the company being transferred from one organization to another, temporarily or definitely, remains in the system. That's really important. Third, we can manage also concurrent assignment for people having multiple contracts, one, for example, in France and the other in Belgium, 50% on each country for organizational reason. Last but not least, we know that lots of companies are now relying on contingent workers, whether they are contractors, interims, trainees, all those people that are not paid by the company but part of the organization can be also managed into SuccessFactors. So those family of people and all those people are managed from and inside the same system, which can be then connected, interfaced with any payroll system. We have standard integration with eBlocks, with SAP HCM on-premise. You know the classical and old-fashioned, but currently run by a large number of big companies. Also, Employee Central Payroll, which is the new cloud offering for payroll calculation of SAP. But we can also connect with Alicia, we can connect with Globe Payroll, and so on. So with all those tools for calculating salary. From the employee perspective, first, we can have a view on my personal data. And for example, or to have a view on my salary information. I just type on the search screen salary, and the system detects salary is linked to compensation information and propose me to view my compensation information. I click there, and the system will directly connect me or direct me to my compensation information in my personal file. Here, I have a view of my current compensation information, my salary package. And if I click on the little clock there, I can see the entire history and from where I started in the company in January 2013, 5,000 euro or dollar in this example, and where I am today. The system obviously hosts lots of other information, such as my personal information, my national ID information, my biographical info, my emergency contact, my address. And if we take this example of the address, employee can directly from the system request or notify his employer about his new address by clicking on the little pencil there. And maybe you have noticed when I've shown the compensation info that pencil was not appearing. An employee cannot change, obviously, his compensation information, his salary, but he can request for or notify for change of address. And he notifies that as of the 1st of June, he moves to Belgium. So I just select Belgium there. And then the system automatically adapts to the Belgium address format. I will just invent an address up of number 11000 and Brussels. I save, and the system will tell me that for that type of change, a workflow is triggered. I can put a comment, and HR business partner and administrative support have to approve that request, probably because changing of address requires to do some actions or to notify some other or third-party people from the system. And I confirm, and my workflow is triggered. We have also into SuccessFactors Employee Central a component for managing time and attendance. I take that example to show you how we can also manage workflows. And there, from the time and attendance, Geoff Hill can request for an absence of 2 days from the 17th. So I click on new absence. Demo effect? No, that's okay. And can submit his request. The SuccessFactors solution is available from any device. That's why I will switch now to demonstrate the mobile application from SuccessFactors that covers Employee Central requirements, but covers also that's the demo effect. Okay. So that covers Employee Central, but covers also many other topics, such as assessment of candidates, do my learning, review my performance, follow some learning events, and so on. And we see here on the second line, my request for absence for Geoff Hill. And I just click there. I can decline or I can approve that request. I'm connected with my mobile application as the manager of Geoff Hill. And there, same, I can have a view on my team. Geoff is part of my team, and I can go in his profile, call him directly from my smartphone by clicking on the little phone mark, or send him a text with the icon with the bubble on the top, or I can also go in employment info, job information, and request for a grade change for my employee, which will be subject to an approval process also. And here I can, as manager, update as of the 1st of June the grade of Geoff and change it to grade 12. and I save. Again, the system will tell me that this requires an approval process and notify me about who are the approver for that type of request, which are here the SVP Operation and Maintenance, the HR Business Partner, and the CHRO. And I just click on Confirm. We have access through this also to the org chart, that kind of org chart. So I'm Maria Cooper. I can move up, find my manager, click on this icon, on his name, and from this, access to his phone number, to his email address, send him a text, send him a WhatsApp message quite easily and very rapidly. That covers what I wanted to show you about Employee Central.